Egypt's government has announced it successfully met the initial target of $2 billion of stake sales in state-owned companies before the end of June deadline. Authorities said $1.91 billion deals are for a hotel group sold to an Egyptian foreign consortium, 3 plants to an Abu Dhabi-based group, 30% of shares of its largest steel producer Dakhela to the majority shareholder, a 10% stake in Telecom Egypt released in the bourse, as well as a paint manufacturer and wind farm to the United Arab Emirates.
And I think it's a very reasonable achievement, taking in consideration the unprecedented circumstances that the international financial markets are passing through, getting out from the COVID-19 and starting with the geopolitical tensions that is around us all. This is a vote of confidence to the Egyptian economy and to the Egyptian financial sector.
This is the first batch of 32 state-owned companies offered in the market to help fill a huge hard currency gap that has led to a devaluation of the Egyptian pound, which has halved in value over the last 12 months, and a surge in inflation which has soared to a record high of 35%. Though the announcement came amidst the delayed IMF review of a $3 billion loan signed last year, Egyptian Prime Minister Mustafa Madbouli denied reports of pressure from the Bretton Woods institution to accelerate the scheme.
We are gradually exiting the economy. We have scheduled 3 to 5 years for this plan. It is a program that is not linked with the IMF or any other institution. It has long been our intention for the state to exit and, at the same time, encourage the private sector to be more engaged in new projects.
A raft of incentives have also been introduced that includes tax exemptions and eradicating red tape to attract more investors.
The state aims to support the private sector activities in different sectors to lead production and exports. What's important as well is to increase our hard currency revenue. We're planning to add new companies for privatization after we finish with the initial list of 32 companies.
To speed up the process, the government signed up with the World Bank's International Finance Corporation as an advisor to help market the project globally. The government hopes with the latest plan and incentives, it would kickstart the influx of foreign direct investments to help revitalize the stricken economy. This is Yasser Hakim for CGTN, Cairo, Egypt.